Hello, welcome back. This is part 2 of the paper 2 series. So we have the question here, describe the relief in the area shown in figure 1.2. So we have the grid coordinates here and the name of the area. So this is what it looks like on the map. So we need to describe the area here, the topography, the relief. So what we can see, looking at it, there's a kind of a V-shape valley, so known as a saddle. And we have a high point here of 332, and then it decreases into 200 or lower. Okay, so this is how we can describe it. So it's a highland, it's hilly, there's the high point 332 and also the low point, so it's shown off the map here, of 180 to 190. And also we have a river here you can mention. So for the next question, we have figure 1.3. It's a cross section along Northing 17 from 940170 to 980170. So we have 3 points here. We've got A, B, C. We need to locate these on the map. So if we get the map, so we start from 94, we end at 98. So what you can do to help is draw some lines. So this is 96. So we can see point B is around here. It's very close to 96. In the middle to get 95, we're here. 97, we're here. Okay, and then we need to identify them. So A is over here. It's a third class road. We write third class road. Okay, next one, we got B. So we've seen that earlier, it's over here. This is a regional road. So we write regional road. The last one, C, in the middle here between 97 and 98. It's classed as other roads, so we write other roads. Okay, now we need to find the regional road R410 in the northwest of the map extract. Measure the distance along R410 from the western edge of the map to the road junction at the church at Edelstown. Choose your answer to the nearest 500 meters from the list provided in the following table. Tick one box. So we get a map, we find the area. It's over here. How do we measure that? So we can use the scale, put a ruler against that, and try and measure the sections. So we can measure this, or you can use a piece of paper. You can put a piece of paper and put little marks at each change, like here. So change here, change here, change here, change here. The best way of doing this, though, is with a piece of string. So if you can bring a piece of string in the exam, you can line it up along the road, and then you can place it against your scale. This will be more accurate and faster. The answer we get is 3,500. Okay, now what is the 6-figure grid reference for this road junction? Tick one box. So the road junction we're looking at is over here. Nice and easy. So we look up, 95, a little bit more. So maybe 951, 952. We go up, so from 17, maybe around 8. Obviously use a ruler to be more precise. So we go across, so we got 951. Yeah, so one of these, and then 17 around 8. Yes, 178. Perfect. So we tick this one. Now, describe the distribution of the settlement in the area to the north of the R410 and west of Edostown. So here's the map. We're looking at here, Edostown, just to the west. So this area over here. So we can say a lot about this. So we're looking at this town. Okay, the settlement, sorry. So we've got two parts. We can see they're labeled. So we're Newtown, Baseland. So these are actually separated into two parts for the settlement. This is quite a linear settlement. It follows the roads. And we also have some individual isolated dwellings around as well. So we can mention all of these and more. So yeah, we have lots. We can mention the roads, so third class roads, gentle slopes, and they're all grouped together. So we have the two groups.